Hello everyone, this is Jenna from Richmond. Today I'm in the Sanhe warehouse near the Shanghai Port. Now I will show you a machine. Let's go. Okay, this is the machine I want to introduce to you, LUTONG LTX2004 from the TG series. This tractor has a series of excellent features that make it stand out in the agricultural machinery market. The cab is air-conditioned for comfort. It is standard equipment. Optional features like dual rear tires or an electro-hydraulic lifting system let you customize it to your needs. Its dimensions are adaptable based on the number of the rear tires, with the 2,840mm wheelbase is very stable. This LUTONG tractor with 20-ton operating mass, it has a 4x4 drive, ensuring great off-road and traction abilities. Powered by an Ito engine, it packs a punch with 147 kW of power. It has 3 hydraulic output groups for different tools. That's all for today. If you want to know more about this machine or other machines, please contact me. Thank you. Goodbye.